In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update the BIOS on your HP Omen computer. This is also known as flashing the BIOS and is recommended as standard maintenance to improve performance or resolve specific issues. Important warning: only install BIOS updates from HP. Installing the BIOS incorrectly can prevent your computer from starting or being recovered. If your computer is managed by an IT service, contact them before proceeding. Step 1. Gather your computer information. Before downloading any BIOS update, you need to know your computer's product name, product number, processor, and current BIOS version. Press Ctrl-Alt-C to open the HP System Information window. Write down the product name, product number, processor name, and system BIOS information. If that shortcut doesn't work, search for System Information in Windows and note down the system model, system SKU, processor, BIOS version date, and baseboard product. Step 2. Prepare your computer for the update. Close any open applications. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. Search for Security and Maintenance in Windows and access virus protection settings to turn it off. Important: if you have BitLocker enabled, suspend it. Search for Manage BitLocker. Click Suspend Protection and confirm. Have your BitLocker recovery key ready in case you need it. Step 3. Download the BIOS update. Go to the HP Software and Driver Downloads page. Enter your computer's product name or number to navigate to your product page. From the list, select BIOS and review the available updates. Carefully read the details to confirm that the update is more recent than your current BIOS and that it applies to your computer. If you don't see a BIOS update listed, your BIOS is already up to date. Click Download. If the HP Download and Install Assistant appears, select Download Only and save the file to your computer. Step 4. Install the BIOS update. Locate the downloaded file, usually a file name starting with SP followed by numbers, and double-click it to start the installation. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Follow the Install Shield wizard. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. On the HP BIOS Update and Recovery window, click Next. Select Update and click Next to prepare the update. Then click Restart Now to install the update. Your computer will restart. On the HP BIOS Update screen, click Apply Update Now or wait for the update to start automatically. The computer will display the installation progress. Do not turn off or restart your computer during this process. This is critical. Step 5. Finalize the update. Once the installation is complete, click Continue Startup or wait for the computer to restart automatically. It may take a few minutes for the computer to restart. After the lock screen appears, sign into your computer. If you suspended BitLocker, search for BitLocker and click Resume Protection. Re-enable your antivirus software. That's it. Your HP Omen BIOS has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.